From the tap to the wash tub, your home's water quality makes a difference on cooking, cleaning, and how comfortable you feel. Let Mr. Rooter be the answer to your water problems. Get the safest and softest water possible with a quality water treatment system or water softener from Mr. Rooter. Tired of cold showers? Mr. Rooter can replace your water heater with a new, energy-efficient model that's perfect for your home. Stop waiting for better water. Call Mr. Rooter today or visit us at mrrooter.com, Minneapolis. There's a reason they call us Mr.